Alright, this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign into network problem. So stick around and watch this video until the end. So you go to open, you turn on your data connection, and this shows up on your screen like this. Sign into network, and then you see down below, being depending on the country you have and the service provider, it shows you either the company, the internet service provider. So let's watch this video until the end and subscribe for more of these tech tips, tricks, and let's keep going. So first things first, if you get such a problem, first of all, make sure that you have sufficient data bundles. Usually this problem comes in when your data bundles are usually done and you're looking and your phone does not have sufficient data bundles to run applications which need data. So be sure to check if you have data bundles and buy data bundles if possible, so that you could avoid this problem. And then the next one, make sure you turn on airplane mode, turn it on and then turn it off. So just imagine if you have bought the data and it's still persisting, all you have to do is turn on airplane mode and then turn it off at the same time. Yeah, you will notice that when you go back and turn it and check, you'll find that that problem has disappeared. So that is it. Thanks for watching. If the problem persists, let me know in the comments down below.